Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Let's get ready for our breast cancer awareness crochet along. Before I kind of dive into what you're going to need, I want to just give you a little backstory of why we're doing it. I'm going to try to be kind of super quick about it. For those of you who have been following the channel for a while or following crochet channels on YouTube for a while, you will probably remember our very dear friend Tammy Lethbridge. She has passed on as of June 5th this year, so we are doing a crochet along in her honor to remember her and help spread awareness for breast cancer. So hot pink was her favorite color. She sent me a message saying basically that she wasn't a very good crocheter yet. She had just started. But when she was able to make clothing, it was all going to be in hot pink and she was going to be wearing hot pink crochet. So in her honor, we're going to be using this fabulous hot pink yarn. It is called Ambient from Ice Yarns. It is $2.25 per 100 grams. Or delivered to your door for $3.08 including shipping. So fabulous deal, 100 grams, 134 meters. I haven't made the sweater yet. It's gonna be the same as this sweater, my Batwing cute sweater, but we'll be using a different yarn for it. We'll be using Ambient. This is made in Batik Chunky, and it'll be fabulous in Ambient. Super easy to make, don't get stressed out about it. I'll do a little spin for you back there. Great little sweater. So I'm not sure exactly how much yarn we're going to need, but for my size, I'm saying 3 packs. Just to make sure I have enough. It might be less, it might be more, probably not more, I'm not sure. So until I actually get at it, I'm not gonna know, but 3 packs because there's nothing wrong with more of this yarn laying around if we need more. I do not think we will be needing more than 3 packs. I used 3 packs of this yarn for a really big shawl, my Luscious Ambient shawl. That was 3 packs plus a smudge. It's a huge shawl, so 3 packs is generally plenty. I'm not sure if I'll get away with 2 packs, but I want to be sure, so 3 packs of this yarn getting ready for the cowl. You of course are welcome to use any hot pink yarn that you would like, and let's just get some awareness out there and see what we can do in memory of Tammy Lethbridge. Love her so much and love her family now. So I'm gonna pop off before this turns into a hot mess. So if you have been touched by breast cancer or someone you know has, let us know in the comments below. This community is super supportive and we're just here to make the world a better yarny place. Let's just do it in hot pink for Tammy. So have a super great day. Thanks for hanging out and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked. Love you, Tammy. Love you, Holly, Tammy's daughter. Thanks for telling me. So sad, right? Don't even start. Took me 3 weeks just to not bawl. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to the cowl. Hot pink, baby, hot pink.